So we're going to demonstrate 3 types of knot. The first, a surgeon's knot. We just wrap round what we're ligating. Do 2 throws and then tighten the knot. Now the trouble with the surgeon's knot is that it bounces back. As we tighten that, it loosens off. So again, it tightens and then loosens off. So your first throw is very important on top of the surgeons. You need that as tight as ever to get the surgeons to tighten below. And then if we just add a few more ones. First 2 or 3 ones, nice and tight. And the next row just to stack and prevent unravelling. Okay, so that's our surgeons. So a modified version of that is a hockey knot. Where the difference is a 3 throw. What this does is try and stop the bounce back. So place it through as normal. Then 1, 2, 3. So you're doing a 3 throw. And again, just shake it out and tighten it as if you would tighten the surgeons. Now what the 3 throw does is it bounces back less, so it stays tighter. And then after the 3 comes the 2. And again, as tight as we can to tighten the 3. And then a few ones. Okay, and then our next one is going to be the miller's knot. I would say is most important for bitch sprays and closed dog castrations. The advantage of the miller's knot is that it doesn't bounce back. Now there's some confusion on what's millers and what's modified millers, but this is the millers you want to be using. So thread it round, just as normal here. Now we got ourselves in what we call the start position. So you've got the thread here, and have your finger here with your thumb ready to hold the cross that we make. So that's our start position. Thread round, finger here, thumb ready. So what we do is we make a cross, and we hold that cross with the thumb. And we just keep hold of that cross as we go around to bring the suture around again. And then we make an identical cross to the first. So we hold that cross. Now at this stage, we've got 2 strands here, 2 strands there. We go through the needle holders, grab the tail, bring it through and back the way it was, which was that way. And now what you can see with the millers is we've got these 2 strands and it's entwined, so when we tighten this, both these loops tighten. So I'll show you once again. That's the start position. Different orientations can throw you, but make sure you get the start position. Make the cross, hold the cross, around again, identical cross to hold. I'll just do that bit again. Always make sure you got enough thread to go around. So cross, hold, round again, do an identical cross and holding it. Our 2 strands here, 2 strands there. We go between the strands, grab the tail, pull the tail through and back the way it was, which is like that. And then we can see there the 2 loops. So if you watch carefully, the best way to bring them together is to pull down like that and make sure these 2 aren't separated here. And then once we've got that in position, we'll just now tighten it as much as we can. And this is where we don't get the bounce back. So nice and tight. And then put 6 ones on after. 1. What good practice is to do is place it and tighten it. Place it and tighten it.